This Better Homes and Gardens Real Estate Central Property video is presented by Connie Machel. Move-in ready 1-story with 4 bedrooms, 3 full baths and an open floor plan in pristine condition. Additional room can function as an office or multi-purpose room. New paint, flooring, trim, dining room light and kitchen sink. Sits on a 1-acre lot. Enjoy a serene peaceful setting on the front porch or in the fenced-in backyard. Offers privacy, yet close to all amenities. For more information, review the details below or contact Connie Machel at 304-201-7653.